Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Zenless Zone Zero game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch or change your server within this game. So let's get started right away. If you are playing the Zenless Zone Zero game, before you log in, you are allowed to choose your server that you want to play in. If you are in the middle of a match, you will not be able to change this option. So the first step would be to exit the application and then reopen it. This will then take you into the main menu, where you can find the press to play button. Underneath the press to play, you can find your currently chosen server. If you wish to change this, simply tap on the currently chosen one, and you will now see the various servers that are available. Tap on the server that you wish to connect to, and the game will connect to this server right away. When you change the server, you may need to restart from the nearest checkpoint. If you change your mind in the future once again, you will just need to follow the same steps. Exit the game, reopen it, and then press your current server to choose your desired new one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game server or region on the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.